Hi there. This is a quick video to talk about the pedometer log and the step conversion chart. So the first thing here is the pedometer log. So if you click on that, that's going to take you right here to uh, your pedometer log, and the instructions are right there at the top of the page. You do want to make sure that once you have whatever you've entered for the weeks, minimum is 5 weeks at 3 days per week, and you need to make sure you put in the total, and you need to make sure you put in a signature here. Now you can either uh, print out this and then do it manually, or you can download it and then do it electronically. Either way works in terms of what you're going to submit. Now, if you need or want extra credit, then you have to go with at least 5 days per week for 10 weeks of the semester. That would get you 5 points of extra credit. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is the step conversion chart, and you can see the step conversion chart is right there below the pedometer log. So if you click on the step conversion log, or step conversion chart, I should say, you will see that there are lots of different activities you could be doing here, and they're often activities you would not be doing with a step counter or with your phone. For instance, if you were swimming, say you were doing a 12-minute swim test, then you would be swimming with vigorous effort, which you'd see right here. You would be doing it for 12 minutes, and so that would be 12 times this number here, 222. So 12 times 222 could then be added to the total you come up with at the end of the day on your phone or your pedometer. All right, so that is how you deal with the pedometer log, and that is how you use the step conversion chart in order to get a more accurate reading of the number of steps that you have taken.